Hi, hello, welcome to Adobe Illustrator Masterclass. Adobe Illustrator Complete Mega Course Beginner to Advanced. In the chapter number 19, we will learn about the Pathfinder panel and Align panel. Just go to your Illustrator. Where is the Pathfinder? We can go with window. If you don't have here Pathfinder, we can go window. Click the Pathfinder. Okay, just go to window and here is the Pathfinder option is there. You can arrange this window anywhere you want. Okay, here in this video I will explain you the Pathfinder shape modes and Pathfinders like that. Alignment also I will explain you. Transform I have already teach you. Okay, but I will explain you everything in these three windows. Okay, just go to Pathfinder first. I will draw something rectangle, one rectangle here and another is here. Okay, now Pathfinder have a shape modes, just like a first mode is a unit. Unit mode means this welding. If we want to weld this two shape to one shape like that, to weld this point and this point to this rectangle, just select both the rectangle and click here. Okay, so if you see there, here is the one rectangle. If I fill the color, you will see the changes. So with the help of two rectangle I have designed like that. If I will one ellipse I want to here and I want to weld this with Pathfinder like that. So this one shape will be created. Okay, like that. Second one is the shape mode is a minus front. If you have a two rectangle or any two shape like that and I want to minus this rectangle to from there, just click here. Now you will see here is the minus finder, just like this is 1 and this is 2. Okay, I want to minus this area. This area will be minus. Okay, so just select every model or every shape and where you apply like that. So minus this point. If I want here one rectangle will be minus over here like that. I want to minus here. Just go to select. This is another color I think. I want this shape will be minus. Okay, click here. That's all. So with the help of Pathfinder, we can choose one is the unit and second one is minus front and third one is intersect. Intersect means if you draw some rectangle like one and another one is there, intersect. This is the intersect I want. Just a minute. Go to here, select, click, intersect. Means this point I want. Okay, this rectangle I want. Okay, so just click intersect like that. Or if you want here, I want one circle from this rectangle, this shape. Just go to here, click, want here. I want this shape from this areas. Okay, just read it. I want hole on this shape. Okay, select both the rectangle and intersect like that. Okay, Now third one is the exclude. Compound shape and exclude overlapping shape areas. Like that. If I apply over here, like that. So what you learn, one is intersect. This is the exclude, means if you have like that, I want hole on this shape, we can use exclude, this one. If you want this shape only from these areas or another, I will show you. I want this also, like that. Go to intersect. Only filter is producing only two overlapping path. Okay, so only two object can be overlap, not multiple. Okay, go to there. This is the overlapping areas. This is overlapping area will be come out from the two object overlapping area. This is the overlapping. I want this one. Just select and click here, overlapping. Overlapping area should be come out. Okay. Another is the option is Pathfinder. Is the one is divide. Okay. This is the we can use over here, divide. Now you will see there is nothing is changed, but you will ungroup here and you will see here is the one and here is the. So in this Pathfinder we can ungroup every and each. I want here whole. Okay, just like go to here, I want ungroup and then here all. I want this all will be here. Click here. Okay, select both, not a third, like that. Ungroup. That's all. Okay. So second one is trim. Just draw another. Trim the object. I want one is rectangle and another rectangle, or another rectangle is overlapping this first one. Okay, and this color will be something different, like that. And I want to use overlapping, this one, trim. So trim the object. This red object will be trimmed from here. Ungroup this, you will see both the object is here. But if you see like that, if you this minus front, then you will get a same result, but another is gone. Okay, with the help of this Pathfinder, here trim will be get a both the object from this also, this also. Okay, so this is the difference of minus and trim. This minus and trim. And here a combine, this welding, and here is divide. We can use the divide over here, ungroup this divide. And we can use over here minus, then minus, this only one is coming out. Okay, here is the divide. We can divide the object from the another shape, like that. Divide. Just go to here, ungroup is come out. Divide. Okay. And the third one is the merge. I want to merge this shape to over here. Okay. So will be merge, like that. I want to merge. This will be merge. And if you ungroup, this merging part will be come out. Not. There is a no merging part. Okay. I want to merge another rectangle from over here, and both the shape will be merged. This is merge. Okay. So ungroup it. There is a no. Only single part is there. Okay. Now I want to merge this second one also. This is merge. Okay. So we can design something different from Pathfinder also. And this is very important tool or panel to design fast. Okay. Second one is a crop. I want to crop something star from this shape. Here is the one star, and I want this shape will be second one also. Want to remove this first. I want to crop. Okay, like that. If you made something different, I want to draw one star over here, just like one star. I want to make here different color, and size should be like that, and both the center alignment go to here, the center alignment, horizontal center, and vertical center. Okay, this is the center of this path. Okay, and I want Pathfinder to minus back, no, crop or outline, crop. This is the cropping. Back side is red color, so red color will be displayed. Okay, I want this from divide, so ungroup this. One star is coming out, this also coming out. Okay, like that. Another is outline. If you create some outline from this shape, you can create an outline. This is the outline of this object. Ungroup. This is the outline. Okay. Now fourth one is minus back. Minus back means if you have some ellipse like that, one ellipse filled out, another ellipse here, minus back. Background will be minus. Here, select both the path, minus back. One or more filled over, onto filled, like that. Just a minute, something is wrong. Rectangle tool, another rectangle tool, like that, and I want to minus back, like that. So you will see here, ungroup, minus back will be come out here. If you fill this circle, and there also, just a minute, back color, and here also. So this is a divide, something like that. Okay. Now this is the Pathfinder option is there. Shape mode. For the shape mode, we can weld the something to shape to weld, minus front, intersect, exclude, and Pathfinder divide something to object, trim, merge, and crop, and another is outline, and here is the minus back. Okay, this is the 10 modes is available. 4 mode for shape mode and another is Pathfinder mode. Okay, alignment, you know the alignment. If you have multiple object in your pages like that, okay, and I want to align this center alignment, or if you want the horizontal align left side everything. If you want the center align, everybody is the center alignment, and if you want the right, so horizontal right alignment, okay, and if you want the vertical align top, everybody is going top. If you want the vertical align center, everybody is in the page center, okay, and if you want align in bottom, everybody in the page bottom, okay, and distribute the object. If you have more than number of object in your page, we want to distribute the object in vertical top like that. Everybody have a same distance from here to there, okay, so this is the distributor. Okay, if you want two object and I want the same distribute, the vertical distribute top or vertical distribute center, like that, the center will be come out same distance from two object. Okay, if you want, just a minute, here and here, I want distribute the object in center like that. Horizontal distribute for the multiple object like that. Distribute the right object. Okay, now distribute space between this two center point to this center point. I want same distance, okay, here and here 3. I want same distance of vertical like that. Vertical same distance will be display. This center point to this center point, this center point to this center is the same distance. Okay, if you want 2 and I want same horizontal space between two objects, you can click if you have it like that. Okay, I want these 3 of same disturbance, same distribute, okay, like that. Alignment to key object, alignment to selection, and alignment to artboard. Okay, with reference to alignment to artboard will be same distance. If you click here and here you can distribute alignment in with reference of artboard, same distance. This point to this point, this point to this point will be same distance. If you select here alignment to selection, if you want this 3 or 4 object, alignment to same distribute horizontal, same horizontal, okay. And if you want the align to key object, okay, this is the key object, I want to align the same distance of horizontal like that. Okay, you have to select one object first. This is the key object and I want to align this to 1, 2, 3 to vertical like that. Okay, so distribute will be to align the object in between the space also and align the object horizontal and vertical also. Okay, transform. with the help of transform panel, like that, I have a 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and I want you can choose the size of this rectangle, width and height. We can change from here, height and width also. And if you want the artboard, I want artboard will be, this object will be in 900 px, will be 900 here. This is the point of 900 pixel to start. I want this object also from start from 900. Okay, just 900 to start from this object. Okay, this is the 900. Okay, and if you want to draw one rectangle with the angle of this rectangle will be 270. Okay, 270 rotate. This 300 rotate. 330 rotate. And if you have a share to 30 degree will be rotated. I want this will be 45 angle. This will be automatically created. If you create the 45 angle one rectangle, I want how to draw the rectangle with 45 angle like that. So it is difficult. But here is the option. If you have this rectangle, I want the 45 angle like that, will be easy. Okay, so I have explained over here transform, everything about the transform, alignment, object alignment, and object distribute, and object spacing, and Pathfinder. Here is the some 10 option is there, shape modes and Pathfinder mode. Shape mode will be the one is unit for the two object will be just a minute, I will explain you. Two object will be weld. I want to weld these two object like that, welding like that. Another object will be come out. I want second option will be minus front. This is one rectangle and another rectangle, this one, and I want a color. These two rectangle I want front. This option will be minus front. Front will be minus two parents object. Okay, front will be, and another is a like that, and I have a intersect. Intersect will be there. Select both the okay, intersect will be come out. This rectangle will be come out. Or if you have some drawing like that, if you draw something like with the help of pencil, just to go to pencil tool, I here draw something like over here, and I want this object will be come out. Okay, so will be intersect like that. I want to fill this part. This is the okay. Now I want to, this will be exclude. This is will be exclude from this path. Okay, so I have explained the Pathfinder modes and Pathfinders, like divide something like I want to divide this rectangle with the parents rectangle, like divide something, and here you can have a option ungroup, and here is a 1, 2, 3. Okay, so with the help of Pathfinder we can create some mathematically calculation also. We can draw some rectangle, intercept, and something divide, trim, merge and crop and outline and minus front back, like that we can create easily. So this tool, this panel will be very helpful if you draw something like interactive. This will be very helpful. So be learning and do practice with the help of my videos and my chapter. One by one you will understand how the Pathfinder will work, and alignment object, how align we can align the object, multiple object with some horizontal align, center aligned and horizontal right, left, something like that. Distribute the object from this three with the help of three selection: align to selection, align to object and align to artboard. Okay, this artboard will be the key point of this alignment, and here is the key point of alignment of selection, whatever you select. And another is the key point is object, one parent's object, and I want the object will align with the help with the key object, like that. I want this is the key object and I have aligned this to left, vertical align. Okay, this is the horizontal align. Okay, so do practice to learn something more in detail. Okay, thank you.